Stop saying, I want a burger when you're at a restaurant.
Wait, what? Is that wrong? I say that every time.
It's not exactly wrong, but to a native speaker, it sounds super aggressive and robotic.
Oh no. I don't want to be rude to the waiter. What should I say instead?
Today, we're fixing your restaurant English so you sound 100% more natural and polite.
I'm ready. Show me the secrets.
Lesson 1, instead of, I want, use, I'll have, or, could I get.
So, could I get the chicken pasta?
Exactly. It's much softer. Or you can say, I'd like, for something a bit more formal.
Like, I'd like the salmon, please?
Perfect. You nailed it. It's all about being polite.
Okay, but what if I want to change something in the dish?
That's lesson 2, customizing like a pro. Don't say, no onions.
Wait, then how do I tell them I hate onions?
Say, hold the onions. It's a classic native phrase.
Hold the onions. That sounds so much cooler.
And if you want the sauce separate, say, on the side.
So, can I get the dressing on the side?
You're getting it. Now, lesson 3, dealing with the bill.
I usually just say check, please. Is that okay?
It's fine, but if you're with friends, you might want to split the check.
Does that mean everyone pays for themselves?
Yes. And if you want to pay for everyone, say, it's on me.
It's on me. I'll remember that for our next lunch.
I'll hold you to that. Ready for a role play?
Let's do it. I'm the customer, you're the waiter.
Hi there. Are you ready to order or do you need a minute?
I think we're ready. Could I get the cheeseburger, please?
Sure. Would you like fries or a salad with that?
I'll have the fries, but could you hold the salt?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Just a water, but can I get a slice of lemon on the side?
You got it. Pause, here is the check.
Actually, we'd like to split the check, please.
Wow. That was perfect. You sounded just like a local.
It felt so much more natural than saying I want all the time.
Exactly. Now it's time for our viewers to practice.
Pause the video and tell us, how would you order a pizza with no olives?
Comment your answer below and I'll check if it's correct.
Let's recap what we learned today.
1. Use I'll have or could I get to be polite.
2. Use hold the or on the side for changes.
And 3. Use split the check or it's on me for the bill.
I'm never going to sound like a robot in a restaurant again.
That's the spirit. If you found this helpful, hit that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe for daily English tips.
We post a new video every single day to help you stay fluent.
See you in the next one.
Keep practicing and stay awesome.